All right, put your hands together for Miss Morgan. And I will allow you, before you come and take the pictures, I should remind you that the restaurant is the extreme back. You see king and queen. So you know which section belongs to you. So you can come and you can take your picture while she clear up this area and we get ready for the next. Any questions for her? I just give you time to come and take your pictures. Question?
Or do you get the fundraising? Fundraising is essential. And so, fundraising is essentially, I think,
grade 5.
Yes, so for you, you just ask what you make fundraising. Fundraising is essentially icing, sugar, gelatin, and corn. You use corn syrup as well. You can comment online for a specific recipe. I can't remember right now, but they do have several recipes online. So basically, it's online, that one, icing, sugar, gelatin, corn syrup, and yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, just quickly for the same that you asked for the fondant, you can buy it if you want to make it yourself. There's a brand called Satin Ice, and you can find usually you find it in Fontana or there's a chanting center. Okay, so you can find it in Chan. Oh, hi.
Alright, while she's cleaning up, I'm going to show you an application using the royal icing. Alright, this one is a fondant, and I'm going to show you this one using the royal icing.